the packages are the collection of the different functions which compile the code and the sample data. They are stored under the directory called the library for the different programs or for the different softwares. The library is there, like you have the MATLAB, you have the Python. They also, you have C, they also have the libraries in which the functions are stored. Okay, so by default R installs a set of packages during installation. So whatever the installation is there, you can search like .lib paths and bracket. If you will search it, they will show like the packages are stored in your system. And if you want to get the list of those packages, you have to use library command. So you will get the complete packages installed with your R. So if you will check this at online R compiler, you will not get the data. Okay, because it is a cloud-based service. But if you will install on your PC or laptop, and if you will check, the output will show like this. Like in my case, it is stored in the program files are the version of it and the library, and whatever the packages are installed by default, that will also be shown over there. So that is about the packages. If you want to add some more packages, that also you can install additionally if the requirement is there. So if you want to get all the packages currently loaded in the environment, you can search for it by using the command search. It will show like how many packages have been installed in your R environment. Okay, if you want to read the CSV files, you can read the files stored outside the R environment. Also, we can write the data into the files which are stored and accessed by the operating system in which the respective R program is installed. R can read and write the various file formats like CSV, Excel, XML. So in that, you want to get the working directory, you can go for the command print get wd. Get wd stands for get working directory. So it will show like it is my working directory is C users Swapnil and the documents. So likewise we can get the working directory. So if we want to read the data from the file stored outside the R environment, we can go ahead with the data. So like if I have created the data named as new CSV, so that if I have created and if I use the command like data read.csv new CSV, so it will go check for new CSV and will print the data what is stored. So the previous data frame which I have created, that I have stored in the format new CSV, and I have asked for the R program to read the respective data frame, so which is named as new.csv. So it has read that data and printed for me. In that we can access the data also, like how many columns are there, how many rows are there in the respective data, what is the maximum salary from the data, if I know what are the different vector correct variables which I have created. So likewise I can get the maximum salary is available from the data. If I want to get the details of the person having the maximum salary, I can use the command subset from the data. Salary is equal to max salary equal to command I need to use. And when I will print the respective variable, I will create the person having the maximum salary. If I want the data of the people working in the IT department, I can ask for to go for the subset and from the data, please identify the department equal to IT. So it will show like Rick, Michelle, and Dina, they are in the IT department. Okay. If I want the people's, those who are working in the IT department with the salary above 600, for that I need to use the command data salary more than 600 and department is equal to IT. So it will search for the IT department, will check for the employee having the salary more than 600, and likewise it will provide like Rick and Michelle have salary which is more than 600 and they belongs to the IT department. Okay, so that is about the things which we can try with the R.